Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure YNAB rules for categories and weekly planning, full guide step by step clearly. To start configuring YNAB rules for categories and weekly planning, launch the YNAB application on your device. Begin by selecting the budget you want to work on. Navigate to the category section in your budget overview. Identify the categories you wish to set rules for, focusing on those that require more frequent adjustments. Click on a category to access its settings. In the category settings, find the rule option. Choose the type of rule you want to implement, such as zero-based budgeting or targeted amount. For zero-based budgeting, ensure the category balance matches the available funds. Set specific targets for each category that aligns with your financial goals. Next, apply any constraints for spending limits if necessary. Save your changes to solidify the rule configuration. Return to your budget overview and repeat these steps for additional categories as needed. Now, focus on weekly planning within YNAB. Start by reviewing your budgeted amounts for each category at the start of the week. Adjust your category targets based on your spending patterns from the previous week. Consider any upcoming expenses for the week and account for these in your budget. Use the available column to track your spending limits for the week efficiently. Revisit your category balances midweek to ensure you stay on track. Make adjustments to your category rules if you notice trends that require a new approach. End your weekly planning session by summarizing your budgeted amounts and reflecting on your spending habits. Continue to repeat this process weekly to maintain an effective budgeting strategy. By consistently applying these rules, you'll develop a more controlled and optimized budget in YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.